Clikko. First up, we've got the Clikko brushing system. This is the perfect tool to keep all your electronics clean and in great condition. It comes with 8 different types of brushes that magnetically attach to each other, making them easy to organize. Clikko is perfect for cleaning your small earphones, larger peripherals like keyboards and gaming joysticks or cameras. You can form it into a cube or a flat brush. It's portable and compact, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Aux Thunder. Next, let's take a look at the Aux Thunder, the immersive 360-degree surround sound gaming headset. With 10 fine-tuned drivers, you can pinpoint your enemies and hear every detail from 9 directions. The wireless satellite neck speaker adds 2 more channels for true 3D surround sound. This gaming headset is packed with innovation and has a reactive lighting system that reacts to your in-game actions. You can get this fantastic gaming headset for around $250. MAGNITO mouse. Combining a remote and a mouse, MAGNITO mouse is a game changer for improving your productivity. It offers more convenience with its super portable design and adds fun to controlling your computer. This detachable Bluetooth mouse uses a built-in neodymium magnet to grip onto the magnets inside your tablet and snaps to your laptop. Easily switch from mouse mode to remote mode within seconds. The magnetic mouse costs around $33. YABER V10. Check out the YABER V10 projector for advanced connectivity and great audio-visual experiences. It features dual band, 5G Wi-Fi for easy mirroring, and stereo surround speakers for excellent sound quality. The YABER V10 supports Microsoft Office and PDFs, making it perfect for smooth and clear presentations. You can get this amazing projector for $289.99. Print X. Next up is the Print X, a palm-sized printer perfect for all your printing needs. This versatile printer can print in color on a variety of surfaces, including A4, A5, and A6 paper sizes. It also includes a label printing extension for organizing your home or office. With its easy-to-use interface, you'll be printing whatever you want, whenever you want. It is available for $75. 8 ots are T-MFY Stealth Wallet. Next up, the T-MFY Stealth Wallet is a sleek and convenient way to carry your cards and cash. Push a button and your cards will pop up and stay securely in place. The RFID blocking layer protects your data, and MagSafe magnetic technology allows you to attach a wallet sleeve and an aluminum card expansion plate. You can even add a money clip for carrying cash. The wallet is available for around $50. Lion mini battery and solar freezer. Enjoy your road trips even more with the Lion mini battery and solar freezer. It operates anywhere from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 43 degree F and keeps your drinks and snacks frozen or chilled while on the go. Charge it via solar, DC, or AC power. The built-in 193 watt power bank lets you charge your devices on the road. When fully charged, it can run for up to 15 hours. It is available for $245. Insta361 R action camera. Insta361 R action camera is not only beautiful, but also packed with cool features. This modular camera includes a body, lens, and battery modules that can be upgraded. It shoots in 4K wide angle, supports up to 256 GB microSD card storage, and is waterproof up to 16 feet without a casing. Attach the camera to a drone for a unique 360-degree view using two separate cameras on a drone like the Mavic 2 Pro. GROOMI BALDEIE Pro. Finally, groom your hair in just 3 minutes with the GROOMI BALDEIE Pro Head Shaver Kit. Its 10,000 revolutions per minute motor works quickly, leaving your scalp, head, and face smooth and clean. Smooth Shave technology eliminates nicks and cuts, while the long-lasting lithium battery offers up to 90 minutes of shave time. With multiple features, this shaver kit is the perfect grooming tool. You can get it for around $79.99. Rolling Square AirCard Apple Wallet Finder. Keep your wallet safe with the Rolling Square AirCard Apple Wallet Finder. This sleek 2.5mm slim gadget offers Apple Find My worldwide tracking. It easily fits into your wallet and provides RFID blocking technology and 2.5 years of battery life. With a 105 dB speaker, left behind notifications, and an NFC digital business card, it's a winning gadget that makes your life more efficient and stress-free. Sony AirPeak S1 Drone. The Sony AirPeak S1 drone is unbelievably cool because it can carry an alpha camera system while maintaining an impressively tiny stature. It's perfect for video content creation and professional photography. This drone supports Sony's mirrorless alpha cameras and uses artificial intelligence to keep images steady as it flies. With a top speed of 55 miles per hour and stability during windy conditions, this all-black drone adds an extra touch to your filmmaking. Beach Box Portable Shower and Storage Box. Take clean water with you wherever you go with the Beach Box Portable Shower and Storage Box. Whether at the beach, mountain biking, or camping, this 4-in-1 design keeps you rinsed and fresh. It includes an insulated and portable shower tank, non-slip rinse mat, modular storage and dry box area, and a durable wash box. Keep yourself, your gear, and your car free from sand, salt, and dirt with this all-in-one solution. Red Shark Bikes. Explore the water in a unique way with the Red Shark Bikes Surf Fitness Inflatable Bike Paddleboard. Designed with pedals, it lets you cycle on open water for transportation and fun. This innovative bike paddleboard uses high-quality materials for flotation and durability, allowing use in the sea, lake, or river. With trolley wheels and a travel bag, it's functional and perfect for taking everywhere. Vaonis Hestia Smartphone-Based Telescope. Experience the universe up close with the Vaonis Hestia Smartphone-Based Telescope. Hestia transforms your smartphone into a smart telescope, bringing the cosmos to you. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, it's easy to use and provides detailed images with up to 5 times the resolution of a smartphone. Enjoy magnification up to 25 times, a 6-lens optical design, and compatibility with current and future phones. FLORE Decorative Air Purifier. Combine advanced technology with modern design when you choose the FLORE Decorative Air Purifier. This beautiful purifier uses natural materials like wood, ceramic, and moss for its unique design. Advanced purification stages include natural moss, a carbon filter, and a coconut substrate for clean air. The integrated light adds extra style and functionality. DJI AVATA. Feel like you're flying with the DJI AVATA FPV drone. This drone, paired with the DJI Goggles 2 and DJI Motion Controller, provides an immersive flying experience. The drone features a compact and lightweight design and comes with a built-in propeller guard for added safety. It supports 4K ultra-wide-angle recording with an f2.8 aperture, delivering exceptional visuals. You can purchase this FPV drone for $629. LIFEBUOY BCONE. Smart floating pool safety alarm system. Ensure pool safety with the LIFEBUOY BCONE Smart Floating Pool Safety Alarm System. It works in any type of pool, spa, or garden pond and offers smart connectivity with Alexa and Google Assistant. Connect up to 4 pool units to 1 home unit for comprehensive coverage. Advanced technology prevents false alerts, and its swim mode smart feature allows for easy swimming. Install BCONE in minutes and enjoy peace of mind. IPEVO Uplift. If you want to capture the best possible image on camera, the IPEVO Uplift is the perfect tool for you. Its multi-jointed body and metal base make it easy to adjust the camera for the perfect shot. With the iDockCam app, you can view and adjust the live image on your smartphone. Don't settle for second best. Get IPEVO Uplift for just $59 on Amazon. SCORKL 2.0. Stay underwater longer with the SCORKL 2.0 electric underwater breathing system. This scuba diving gadget is refillable in minutes at the touch of a button and offers endless refills anywhere, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Plug it into the wall, car, boat, or power tool batteries for versatile refills. Stay underwater for up to 10 minutes with this gadget and come back up for a refill. Plus, anyone can use it. No special training required. Camper hooded jacket. For frequent travelers, adventure seekers, or outdoor enthusiasts, the camper hooded jacket is a must-have. With 6 pockets for storing headphones, documents, and other essentials, it also features an internal stuff pocket that turns the jacket into a travel pillow. This versatile jacket comes in several color combinations and is suitable for both men and women.